Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to create an event on Facebook, updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a community meetup, or a special online event, setting it up is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Once it's open, look toward the bottom right corner if you're on iPhone, or the top right corner if you're on Android. You'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap that. Next, scroll until you find Events. Tap it, and then look for the option that says Create. This is where the fun begins. Facebook gives you a few different customization options to make your event stand out and reach the right people. Now, you'll be asked to enter the basics. Give your event a clear and catchy name, select the date, and pick a start and end time. If it's happening in person, you can set a physical location. If it's online, you can choose a virtual option instead. Facebook automatically helps others see where and when to join. Once you've entered the essentials, go ahead and add your event details. You can include a short description to tell guests what to expect, and if you have a great cover photo or flyer, upload it to make the event more eye-catching. High-quality images always help attract more interest. When everything looks perfect, double-check your privacy settings. Decide whether your event should be public, friends-only, or private. This determines who can see it and who can RSVP. For personal gatherings, private works best. For community or promotional events, try public. Finally, tap Create Event at the bottom of the screen. Just like that, your new event is live. You can invite friends, share the post on your timeline, and even track RSVPs as people respond. That's it. You've just created your event on Facebook in only a few easy steps. Don't forget to update it with reminders or photos as the big day gets closer. Now you're ready to bring people together, one post at a time.